Okay. Right, Bismillah. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at grade C questions from MathsWatch CD. Today's date is 9th of 12, 2013. The topic we're looking at now is dividing by decimal numbers. So, for example, in this question number 1, we have the number 4.24, which is itself is a decimal number, but it's divided by a decimal number 0.4. Now, in order for us to do this, we need to start at this part of the question where we've been dividing the number that's been divided by. We need to convert it into a whole number by multiplying either by 10, 100 or 1000 or multiples of 10. Now if you look at this particular question, 0.4, if you multiply it by 10, it will quite quickly change the 0.4 into 4. Now, because we multiply this part of the question by 10, to keep the question balanced, we have to multiply the first part of the question by 10 as well. So now the question is transformed into its equivalent question. So 4.24 becomes 42.4, 0.4 becomes 4, and that is a much happier situation for us to be in, because we are dividing by a nice whole number. Now, as we said before, the second number always comes first. So we have this X effect here. The number we're dividing by always goes to the front of the bus stop. Okay. So the second number always at the front of the bus stop, and the 42.4 will always be as the second number inside. Okay. Now, when we're doing this number here being decimal is not a problem. When we have this number here as decimal, we need to copy up the decimal point into here. A nice big fat decimal point there. So how many 4s will go into 4s have we started off? Which is 1. How many 4s can we fit into 2? The answer is nothing. You can't get a group of 4 from 2. So that 2 becomes the remainder. Pass it on to the next number. How many groups of 4 can I make from 24? And the answer is 6. So this question here, 4.24 divided by 0.4 gives us an answer of 10.6. We don't need to do any further adjustment, because we've done the same to this part as that part. So that is our final finished answer. Thank you very much for joining us on this question. Please join us back for another question. Thank you very much. Folks, please try hard. Look at these questions and do your work properly. Thank you.